children, can you show me where are the plants? Show me. Yes, very good. Okay, can you show me where are the flowers? Flowers. Flowers, show me, show me. Yes, flowers. Okay, can you show me where are the leaves? Where are the leaves? Leaf. Jeshin, where is the plants? Can you show me? Yes, very good. Can you show me where is the flower? Flower. Very good. How about the leaves? Where is the leaves? Well done. How about the stem? Where is the stem? Can you show me where is the stem of the plant? Lucas, can you show me where are the plants? Yes, very good. Okay, can you show me where are the flowers? Flowers. Oh, very good. Okay, how about the leaves? Where are the leaves? Can you show me? Leaves. Very good. Can you show me where is the plant? Plant. Okay, show me the flower. Where's the flower? Show me the flower. Okay, show me the leaves. 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 Yes, very good. Okay. Shana, can you show me where is the plant? Yes, very good. Okay. Can you show me the flower? Flower. Very good. Okay. Can you show me the leaves? Very good. Jen, can you show me the flower? Flower. Okay. Can you show me the leaves? Leaves. Yes, very good.